Ano pinaka-high speed nyo na ano sir?
What is our high speed? Margin syempre. Margin syempre. Margin syempre. Margin syempre. Our high speed figure sa vlog is margin syempre. So, alam mo kung bakit? Maricel, what is dear? So, what is dear?
Margin,
is
Marian Inde.
What is dear right now? What is true? Sa inyo, para sa inyo.
For me,
Yeah.
Marty.
Why? Why?
For us. For us.
Bakit? Bakit?
Kasi po nakita namin yung ano, nung una kasi, siyempre, napanood namin yung unang vlog, nakita namin na yung pinaglaban ni Cindy yung kanyang pagmamahal kay ano, tapos iniwan
Vlog.
yung kanyang trabaho.
Vlog in our blog? Our blog?
Yes.
Vlog meaning is meron editing eh. Oh.
So it means that your blog is...
I say. It just depend on blog. Blog, what's the blog? Is with edit. Yeah.
For
So why are you
entertainment.
thinking Marit is here? Just guess that.
Bakit nyo naisip na Marvel?
Reactor kayo,
Reactor kayo.
mas gamay yung ano eh.
Ay, basta. Question lang. Maricel is scripted.
Na nakita yung ano.
Margin sir, Margin.
Yeah,
So Maricel is deal. Maricel is deal.
Hindi. Sa kanilang feelings sir, para sa kanilang feelings. Para sa kanilang ano, yung galaw kasi na
They are real daw in their feeling.
Yes. Bakit ganun tanong na lang, sir?
Bakit na lang pagkalukin yung ano, parang teleserye?
Oo nga sir,
Kasama-sama talaga sila. May kanya-kanyang may kanya-kanyang character, sir.
Kasi also sometimes Cindy must sing. Siya practice.
So, you're going to focusing on singing. So, Margel,
Maybe.
we're going to have Margel forever.
Maybe okay.
So, it's no more Marty Bloods, right, sir? No more
Meron
Marty
na, may
Bloods.
extra video. Marami extra video.
Problem si Cindy, kala nyo hindi namin pinapakanta. Ang totoo, si Cindy ayaw kumanta. Kaya nga yung mga basher, nagkakamali sila.
But is it okay, sir, if you're going to upload like one Marty Bloods or two Marty Bloods in a week? So, I know that it's gonna be like...
Okay, this dinner time I will uploading video.
Pero mas maganda, sir. Kung gusto nyo maging sulit talaga, sir. Kung gusto nyo maging sulit yung isang...
Actually kasi,
Palabas nito.
pagka sobrang baba ng video, ni-stop muna namin i-upload.
This night I will upload.
Oh, this night, sir.
Pero if boy no, I will lose.
Because, sir, to be honest, sir, I'm a Marty reactor, diehard fan. I'm just being honest.
Bakit? Sabi ko, yeah.
Pero ang kasi sir, nahati talaga kapag Marty lang nilabas ngayon, Marty lang manonood. Pag Marty lang Marty lang. So that's why there's a lot of haters, sir. There's a lot of haters, there's a lot of bashers. It's because of that.
Pag silang tatlo po, yung magsasama-sama kayo.
Hindi, wag lang tatlo kasi magkaroon na naman inggitan yun eh. Kailangan sa haluan pa rin.
Kaya ang ibig niyo sabihin, tatlo sa isang video.
Hindi, tatlo daw magsama.
Sama-sama, tapos parang teleserye po yung mga...
Sama-sama sila to, sir, na may kwento.
Kwento.
Na may kwento, hindi yung tipong ano, sir, hindi yung porkit nagsama lang.
Baka nagsama sa amin tatlo, hindi na kayo manood eh.
Sir, mas lalo man
Mas
mas
lalo man,
una sila doon. Promise.
Sa personal, hindi sila ganun.
Okay, try.
Sa personal, hindi sila
We will try. Okay.
Kaya
Kasi,
napakahirap.
you said naman, sir, it's entertainment.
Ang
let's go with that.
lang talaga sa
Okay,
personal
with the
video,
flow.
si
Yes, sir.
Marian.
Makikita niyo, sir, all viewers or all supporters will be combined
Yeah.
to one. Yeah, I think so.
Kaya mahirap.
Yes.
Sobrang hirap.
They want like Korean drama.
Yeah.
Series.
Sir, di ba nag-sweet din naman si Mariana at si
Sa personal,
Bigyan niyo naman, sir, ng kwento.
Ay, wala ka.
Huh? We just focus entertain, but sometimes I will play also. But we need to income so we can giving salary.
If a company no income this month, I get a 40,000 peso minus negative. It's okay, still I invested. How much I invest? Maybe very, I invest. Still I have many also credit. But from my family, okay. We have a dream kasi I want to holding a major singer and our talent, have a concert. That's actually my real dream, not only vlogging. So, I want to support our company, not only Mardi, Marcel.
Para sa lahat.
Really, we are struggling. When we are starting, yeah.
So darating sa point na kailangan buwagin yung partner.
But that is our expecting na, pero we pass not that.
Yes.
Sometimes we making something product, I want to support also that product kasi really giving many effort. Ask about other question.
Ano sir?
Yeah.
Suggest or request?
Yeah.
Marky Duet.
Duet?
Duet cover.
Meron.
Meron.
When?
Actually meron, pero no play ka sa iba, download din na.
Nakapagtagit.
Meron na.
Makulit na
Sa totoo lang,
Sobrang Marky
ayaw
talaga
ni
ako.
Cindy kumanta talaga.
Ayaw.
Meron na
When it
eh.
will be uploaded sir.
Nakikiusap si Cindy na huwag ko siya
깜짝
iiwan.
놀랐던데. Ako lagi akong nagsasabi dyan kay Cindy. Since
Ayaw niya kumanta.
Hindi, ayaw show.
Kasi
Pero tingnan niyo yung mga pambabash. Kami na.
Oo nga, tama sir. Pero ngayon sobrang saya din namin kasi nakikita na namin kumakain.
Pero
Tapos
Pilipino.
ayun, kumakanta. Sa pilitan yun.
Ay, pili ko yan.
Meron na eh. Pag ayun na publish na. Sa pilitan yun. Meron na ko. Di ba? Pag ayun na publish na.
Alam niyo ba si Cindy kahapon
Go for
umiiyak?
1 million views. 1 million views.
Ayaw niya magpaiwan.
Meron na.
Gusto niya dalhin ko siya.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
Pag ayun na publish.
Oh my gosh. Parang na-predict mo na siya.
Gilig
no?
na naman kayo.
Siya pala yung siya pala
Kasi
talaga.
iba talaga sir.
Ayaw niya.
I don't know, pero iba talaga
Anong
yung
gusto
feeling
niya?
ng Marky.
Sabi lang.
Because we making many
Kasi
videos
pinapasama
I
siya sa amin
choose
lagi.
what kind of publish you can
Sana
submit
isama ko
na
siya.
Sana i-publish na yun.
Ayaw
Gusto niya sa
niya.
labas. Sir, wait.
Gusto niya sa labas. Ayaw niya.
Okay, I will publish it talagang contribute, talagang comment.
Pero contribute
Gusto. Sobrang ganda
Kasi
sir.
kasi everyday basis kami. Pag bumabagsak kami ng everyday, yung bumubulusok na kami.
Ayun.
Pag napabayaan na. Kaya mahirap kasi.
여기
mag-search
있을 동안 한번 해갖고 보여줘야지.
Alin kayo dyan, sis? Team na yun.
Kaya yun, mas maganda nga yung ibalik niyo na lang yung dating rules sa sa members para kung
Kagaya
mag-upload
ngayon.
namin
Oo,
at
yun
nang
nga.
mag-boom po ulit.
Sana
yung
kasi
talaga-
struggle talaga kami ngayon. Kung alam niyo lang, sobrang liit ng sinweldo namin.
Yes sir.
Struggle.
Check ko yun sir.
Kaya kung
Analytics
ano,
niya.
gumagawa po kayo ng strategy para po yung channel niyo.
Pwede mag... ano?
Yung ginagawa namin, preparation yan for something big.
And then fans also YouTube will need to know, like, kasi our view is really abnormal view before Maricel is born. Remember? That time our graph ganyan.
Yes sir.
This is still off. This is abnormal up. You know,
Yes.
if abnormal up until now, meron effective. Going down is normal. Kasi we just going back normal. Starting abnormal, going back normal, so ako walang effective. It is YouTube naman.
Yeah, I saw your analytics regarding the...
Yeah, this is from
August.
what good until now, it is before good kasi. So now going back is normal kasi 10% lang talaga is normal click rate eh. So we 1.7, our click is almost 170,000 is normal. So why thinking our view is going down? Surely YouTube not showing kasi to other people. It's normal for me.
Ano kasi yung recommendation na
I-maintain, yes.
Sir, pwede mo ano pinaka-high speed niyo na ano sir?
what is our high speed? Margin syempre. Our high speed tingnan sa vlog is margin syempre. Sobra.
Ouch.
Get it?
O meron
Mas mataas yung
Okay.
vlog ni Cindy at ni Mariano. Lexi at ni
Kasi
Maria
nga, sir,
kaysa kay Cindy. at
Kasi nga sir, ulitin ko, kami kasi sir, pag vlog talaga nila, ang support talaga namin, full support talaga.
Meron kasi ako proof.
Umabot sa buong mundo.
When we prepare kasi one very good MT. Not Japanese. But because of the we wanna making high our system contribute pure going high. So I test first Marudi. First time I Marudi Valentine late date, right?
Tinitest namin.
18,000. Next day I uploading Asara challenge 100,000 views.
I think same day.
Yeah. And then suddenly I change. I managed try going high again.
Yeah.
So in my situation, dapat mas posting. Kasi one day we can post
So,
only
ano
two.
yun naman namin yung...
Only I first try naman.
Pabagsak naman kami.
Yung
Tanong
kita.
ko lang sir pati sa aming mga members, bakit po pag halimbawa, yung hindi na kami member, kailangan namin i-delete lahat yung videos.
1, 2, 3, come on!